Hey everybody, good morning, Robb. This video is to show how I repaired my mini rebounder or small trampoline. It uses the flat straps. If your trampoline uses flat straps and it has become frayed, this is how I was able to repair mine. I used some strapping that I got on Amazon and a little repair kit or sewing kit. If you don't know how to sew, you're going to see that I don't know how to sew either, and it still came out all right. I used something called a uh, a backstitch. You go forward like two spaces, then you go back one space, then you go forward two spaces, and go back one space. The video shows the very first strap I worked on, and so I'm not doing it too well, but it still worked out okay. It's pretty forgiving. At the very end, I just wrapped around the edges, made loops, and cut it with the scissors. I used the large needle that came with my sewing kit to attach the replacement strap to the strap that was frayed and broke, and was able to put some tension on it so it's not too loose. It was a very straightforward process, and as I sewed more and more, I became more comfortable and it went faster. It took me about an hour and a half to do four straps, and I had to attach thread on two parts on each strap, so that was four processes of sewing the strap, or eight, I should say eight. The thread is the thread that came with the sewing kit. It looks to be appropriate. It's not too thin. They do make a waxed twine for sail making that might even be better. If you're having trouble, you could put some wax or soap on your needle. Might help you go through the elastic better. It comes with a little thimble you can use also to help you push it through. There's also a tiny little awl you can make a hole if you're having trouble. It was pretty straightforward. But like I said in the beginning, I didn't. I wasn't. I wasn't. You could tell I wasn't a tailor. uh, More of a plumber. It doesn't look like I'm sewing too well, but in the end, it worked out pretty good. It held pretty well. Um, I'm still going to monitor it over time because I don't know how well my sewing is going to hold, or the straps are going to hold up. I put some strap around it at the end to try to protect it from chafing in the future, and I sewed on the first one, and the next three I used tape, but it probably won't hold. I have to probably come back. So it's pretty straightforward, simple, inexpensive repair for the mini trampoline rebounder. Hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the video comments. Be happy to respond and help in any way I can. Thanks.